The Badal Mahal Chanderi dates back in history to the times of Sultan Mehmood Khilji ruled over the Malwa Sultanate, which is now known as Madhya Pradesh. Sultan Mehmood Khilji was constantly engaged in military campaigns to expand his kingdom. He had frequent skirmishes with his arch-rival Rana Kumbha of Mewar, present-day Rajasthan. He also marched into Gujarat and captured the Champaner fort. He also dared to challenge the might of the Delhi Sultanate and launched a military campaign which proved to be unsuccessful. The Badal Mahal Darwaza was built during the reign of Sultan Mehmood Khilji in the 15th century to mark his victory in one of his many military campaigns. However, it is not known which victory the Badal Mahal commemorates. As you emerge from a semi-dark enclosure which is the entrance to the Badal Mahal Darwaza, you are stunned with the beauty that meets your eye. A straight paved path leads to the tall and imposing structure known as Badal Mahal. The path is flanked by beautifully landscaped gardens and lawns. They remind you of the Mughal gardens that one sees at the Taj Mahal and other Mughal monuments including the likes of Qutub Minar and other historical monuments of Delhi. The gate, which is known by the name of Badal Mahal or Badal Mahal Darwaza, is a structure that rises to a height of 100 feet. It is ornamented with intricately carved designs, lattices, and motifs. The arch that crowns the structure is made up of a netted window or jali that is reminiscent of the famous Siddhi Sayyad Jali of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Though the Badal Mahal Darwaza Chanderi is purported to be a gate, it leads to nowhere. At best, Badal Mahal is a facade which looks stunning against the backdrop of a hill and the Kirti Durg fort. White clouds flitting in the backdrop add drama and meaning to the site of the Badal Mahal. The Badal Mahal Gate Chanderi is an intriguing structure. Two exquisitely carved arches are stacked one above the other. There is an open space between them. These arches are flanked by tall minarets on either side. If you look closely, you will be able to spot various religious motifs within the structure of the Badal Mahal Darwaza. The fact that these motifs are from different religions is a testimony to the secular character of Chanderi, where many cultures and religions coexisted in history. The topmost arch of the structure is made up of a network of 6 cornered stars that together form an intricate design. The 6-cornered star is a symbolic representation of Judaism. Near the bottom of the minaret on the right side can be seen the imprint of a holy cross, symbolizing Christianity. The minarets are of course an integral part of the Islam religion as well as Islamic architecture. Some of the geometrical motifs on the Badal Mahal Gate are similar to iconography found in Hindu and Jain temples. The Badal Mahal Gate today leads to nowhere, but there could have been a tall building behind that figuratively touched the cloud, because of which the gate was called Badal Mahal. Near the Badal Mahal Darwaza, excavations have unveiled underground chambers which could be the remains of a palace. The Badal Mahal complex is enclosed by an old fort-like structure towards the front and side. The purpose of the Badal Mahal, apart from being a victory monument, was used as a reception area for royal guests. They would be accorded a state welcome at the Badal Mahal Darwaza and then escorted to the palace of the king. Though much of the history and purpose of the Badal Mahal Gate remains an enigma, what is undeniable is its striking elegance and importance to Chanderi. If you are planning to travel by air to Chanderi, you would need to fly either to Bhopal or Gwalior and then travel by road to reach Chanderi. Both Bhopal and Gwalior are connected to places like Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai. Chanderi is well connected to other cities of Madhya Pradesh through a road network. One can travel to Chanderi by public bus, cab, or own car as part of an exciting road trip. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you soon with an interesting episode.